We want your family to be our family at All Pro Auto Group, West Georgia and East Alabama's premier General Motors and Hyundai dealerships. Our dedication to customer service starts with our exceptional staff, and our great prices and excellent selection make it easy to find the right vehicle, like this one. Carrying the name Buick means the 2011 Lucerne has been well thought out. Its standard flex fuel 3.9-liter 227 horsepower V6 engine. The second option is the available all-aluminum 32-valve Northstar 4.6-liter V8. Its legendary status is proven with 292 horsepower. They're both mated to a smooth shifting, electronically tuned automatic transmission. Lucerne Super is equipped with magnetic ride control. Its speed reads the road up to 1,000 times per second, adjusting damper settings to heighten wheel contact. There are dual light gauges with LED backlighting and an available leather-wrapped steering wheel accented with a walnut burl finish. The available touchscreen activated DVD navigation system charts over 6 million miles of North American roads. The 2011 Buick Lucerne, the new class of world class. Thank you for choosing All Pro Auto Group, where it's all about you. Visit us anytime online at allproautogroup.com or stop in to either of our 2 convenient locations today. All Pro GM at 709 New Franklin Road or All Pro Hyundai at 1405 Lafayette Parkway in LaGrange, Georgia.